Lingaw, lingaw, Chin Chin.
1, 2, 3, go! Kasing, kasing! Hindi, atong boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, dance, 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 dance. Ate. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Do, ade, abi, well, dear. Sige, sige, patindagan na ka. Sige, sa kulay.
Kinchin! 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 Kinchin!
Nay! Hello! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! Do, ade, abi, well, dear.
Dali, rehearse. Mag-rehearse na pag-shin. Dali.
1, 2, 3, go! Do, ade, abi, well, dear. Ray, ade, kong balasan.
Ay, Kinchin.
Oh, bilang ka doon. Tiin, nagtiin.
Nayat.
Sige, sagot tulong ko. Sige, sige, sige. Ala, sige.
Kantay Twinkle Twinkle si Kinchin.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above like a diamond in the sky. That's A, singing A. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball.
C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. Kinchin. Kinchin! Baby! Sa? Kinchin! Kinchin! Kinchin, toy! Wala nag-yo-yo. Yo-yo, Kinchin. Aba! Abu! Abababu, abu-bu-bu, abu-bu-bu-bu-bu. Ababababababa. Ababababababa. Si Kinchin namo nga baby. Ba. Kinchin! Kinchin! Gihubak na bug ka? Kinchin! Aba. Abu-bu-bu.
Ayaw kay buhok ba?
Kinchin na. Oh.
What the shit? One, two, three. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Wala man.
B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. Sisunod sa F. I. F-I. A, B, C, D, F, G. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for house. Di mo to house? Ham man siguro to. House lagi. House. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. Tulo laway sa juice. K is for kenshin. Kenshin. L is for lion. Lion. Kenshin. Chin. Concentrate. Batang matanda.